Hello students, how are you? Hope you are good and safe. Class prep, subject numbers, topic is parts of a whole. So today we will learn that how can we divided anything or any object or any shape into two equal half parts. Like you can see this picture. These are the examples of parts of a whole. What is this? A lemon. A full lemon, a whole lemon, and when we cut into two parts, they equally divided into two separate parts. Now, the second one is this. Which picture is this? A pomegranate. This is a whole pomegranate, and this is the parts of a pomegranate. Two parts of a pomegranate. And the third one is, which picture is this? A cake. This is a whole cake, and this is divided into two half parts. Two equal parts. This is your first activity. Write W for whole and P for parts. As you can see, these are the shapes, square and circle. And you have to write the letters, which is W and part. The whole one shows W and the part shows P. And you have to write in a whole square, you can write you can write W, and on the other hand, you can write P over here. And the second one is, this is whole circle, and you have to write W, and this is parts. This is the parts of a circle, and you have to write P over here, like this. W means whole, and P means parts, like this. W means whole and P means part. Now open your books, page number 4. This is your home activity. Do page number 4 in your homework कॉपी. आपका ये जो पेज नंबर 4 है, आपने इसको होमवर्क कॉपीज पे अपने करना है. पेज नंबर 4. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Stay home, stay blessed.